Fenugreek seeds are very commonly used in Indian cooking. They provide amazing health benefits when consumed regularly. Here is a small home remedy for reducing high blood sugar levels. Take a few fenugreek seeds in a spoonful of curd in a bowl. Mix them well and leave them to soak in curd overnight or for a few hours. Consume the soaked fenugreek seeds along with curd the first thing in the morning. This works great to regulate blood sugar levels in a diabetic person throughout the day. Fenugreek seeds are known to reduce blood pressure and high blood sugar levels. They are good for improving testosterone and sperm count in men. Regular consumption reverses premature graying of hair. Reduces menopausal symptoms in women. Great for clear skin and reduces acne. Fenugreek seeds are also great for hair and they reduce dandruff. You can use the same procedure for more quantity of curd and fenugreek seeds for grinding smoothly and applying a hair pack.